Hvad?
Ja.
Velkommen lidt herovre.
Okay. Good morning, America. My name is Cecilia.
Ej, jeg starter lige forfra.
And... Okay. Nej, det behøver vi kan jo bare skrue frem, når vi skal spise den.
Good morning, America. My name is Cecilia.
And I am Aya.
And today we have 2 students and 1 teacher from a Danish efterskole.
Good morning, miss. You are one of the students from a Danish efterskole. Which efterskole are you a part of this year?
Yes.
Nice. Where are the efterskole placed?
Haslo. In Denmark.
Mm-hmm. Which sports line are you on?
Soccer.
And what about you, Logan?
I'm playing soccer with Mads.
Okay. How is it to teach in an efterskole?
I really like to teach at an after school because you are not only together with the kids in the school, but the whole day.
Okay. Which sports line are there on his?
On his we have volleyball, handball, soccer, gymnastic, and dance and fitness.
Okay. How is it to live on an efterskole?
It's great. It's fantastic.
Okay.
Gets close to other kind of people that you have at home.
Mm.
It's quite nice.
Are there rules at your efterskole?
Yes.
Many rules.
Yeah, that's kind of.
Is it fair rules?
No.
No. Why?
Some of them are fair, but altså, jeg ved ikke, hvordan jeg siger det, men det er også lige meget. Altså, sådan nogle, jeg har ikke sige det på dansk, hey. Some of the rules are kind of understandable, but other are kind of stupid.
Why?
Why, Joachim? I don't know.
Because I think some of the times we need to get to some place very fast when we came from football to breakfast, lunch, and that's not fun.
Okay.
What is good about efterskole?
All the new people I'm meeting every day.
Yeah.
All the teachers I'm getting to know better and better.
Are there some bad things about efterskole?
Yes.
Okay.
What?
What kind of bad things?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you have to clean toilets or be in the kitchen or be a pedal.
Okay.
My, do you think it's an expensive year?
No, because you are getting food every day, and the after school is your home a whole year, so it's not really expensive.
How much does it cost?
I think it's the price is around 50,000.
Okay.
Okay. Do you think it would be the same if you work on a normal school in Tilbury?
No, because at an after school you're together with the kids the whole day, not only in the classes.
Okay.
What about you guys? Will you think it would be the same if you were in a normal school in Tilbury?
No. It's different.
Why?
Because on a normal third grade school, you can leave to go home to your parents, but on a after school you have to stay with your fellow friends, fellow students.
Okay. That was all for today. See you again tomorrow.
Yeah.